Hey, what's up everybody? It's Low Float, and AMC stock price, it's just not real, man. It's not right. It's completely fake. I mean, it just feels like with AMC and GameStop and all that, we're just living in Star Wars, man. And before we get into this, I would just like to mention that 88% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you'd like to subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. I post daily AMC videos, and yeah, so let's get into it. You can't make this shit up because it's just AMC's price isn't right because there's short ladder attacks. They actively are shorting it and keeping it down. They're laddering it, and they're doing high frequency trading back and forth to slowly make the price go down. They just have like on the dark pool almost or over 400 million shorts on this, and the float of the company's only 500 million. So when you're messing with the float to that degree, it completely offsets the supply and demand curve. And stocks are a simple supply and demand. That's really all they are, supply and demand. And when you have way more supply than there should be at all, with all the naked shorting and everything and all these synthetic shares and all the complete BS that we've been dealing with, it completely just screws up the supply and demand. And that's why, honestly, I truly think we should be triple digits right now, and I think we're going to be soon. But we're still in the 50s, mid 50s, which still isn't bad. I'm enjoying it even here. But when you have stuff like this, where there's shares that just shouldn't exist, and they're shorting it and all this BS, it's just not real, man. None of this is real, and it's horseshit. I'll be honest. And you even got the president of the New York Stock Exchange saying that the price of meme stocks, just the demand is not reflected because there's way too much supply. There's just way too much supply, and honestly, I feel like how are we even buying shares anymore? Retail owns probably over 80, he was over 80% a few weeks ago. So we probably own so much of this float, and it's just where are these shares coming from? And no one knows. They're just, I don't know if the hedge funds found a duplication glitch, like it's fucking Minecraft or something, but they're doing some nonsense. And this is why I'm holding. This is a big reason why I'm holding, because this is supposed to be a free market, and it's evident that it's not. And it's bullshit. It's complete BS. And what's the point of playing the game if it's rigged? With stuff like this, you might as well just take all your retirement savings to a casino, because I guess the house always wins. But we're making sure it doesn't. We're holding so it doesn't. At least I am. This video is not financial advice. Do what you want with your money, but I just feel like this is it, man. Because how does any of this make sense? How is this legal? I am holding until these hedge fund managers and Citadel and all these people, man, are just living on the street or behind bars. Hopefully either one, whichever one comes first, because they are some evil people. They were lent money by the federal government during a global pandemic to help create jobs, to help build companies up, all that stuff, help raise the stock prices. You know what they did? They took that money and they started shorting the shit out of all these companies, and if they shorted them into bankruptcy like they were planning on it, everyone from GameStop would have lost their job. Company would have went under. AMC, all these other companies, they just would have went under. And during a global pandemic, they were actively just trying to screw working class people over, and I think that's so messed up. And that is a big reason why I'm holding, because none of this shit makes sense, man. These guys are evil. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sure a lot of people feel that way, but these guys are pieces of shit, man. They're really just bottom of the barrel. And hey, I'm holding to see some justice be brought to light, because this is, as of right now, it ain't it, man. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a great day, guys.